In this video, I will show you how to visualize your document activity using live reports inside of Jotform Sign. Okay, so once you have your document opened up here, in the top left-hand corner where it says Sign Builder, we are going to click that drop down and we are going to go inside of Report Builder. Now, I've already sent my document out to multiple people to ask them to sign. So now we're going to see a report on those findings and who has signed, who hasn't signed, and so forth. Now, inside of this widget here, we can describe to the AI what type of report we want, or we can just start from a blank template here, or we can choose an extended report or a compact report. So I'll say, show me the status of my recipients and whether they have signed, declined, or still waiting, and then I'm going to click on generate. Once we do that, we'll give this just a moment to go ahead and generate our report for us. And once that gets finished here, we have a few different things on this report, and we can actually customize all of this as well. So we have a table here that has some key information. We have the date that we sent it out, the document status, whether it's in progress or completed. We have the document ID, the name of our buyer, the signature of our buyer, and the day that they signed it. And then just below that, we actually have a little graph here where it shows we have 2 in progress and then 1 that has already been completed. And if we actually click on this, and then we click on the little gear icon here, and this actually lets us change exactly how this looks. So right now we're using a pie chart. I could change this to a bar chart, and we see how that looks. And we can even control the legend and a table grid, which is pretty cool. And then we can even change the position of that table grid as well. If we go inside of the data here, we can change the color palette and everything else that is included inside the design of this, as well as the style. And on the left-hand side, we can also add other graphs for other information. So let's say, for example, I wanted to show some type of chart showing the days that I sent out this report. All I have to do is click and drag this over. And when I drop it, by default, we have a text chart. But I can change this to a column, for example, and we can see how that looks, and it shows us the days where I sent out these reports. Now, I've shown you how you can customize each individual chart or element inside of this report, but we can also customize the entire report as a whole by clicking on the paintbrush roller icon over here, which is also the report designer. From here, we can go inside of the style options, and this allows us to change the background color as well as the overall color of the palette for the entire report. Now, if you have multiple pages inside of your report, you can use these little slider icons here to reorder the pages. For example, clicking the up icon will move this slide up 1, and clicking the down icon will move it down and swap places with the one below it. Now, once your report is finalized and ready to go, you can preview it by clicking the preview option here. And then from here, you can flip through the pages and see exactly what that looks like. You can also download it, and you can publish it by clicking this option here. And when you click on publish, you can also share the report with stakeholders using a secure link that you'll find right here. And that's it. With live reports, you can monitor document activity and gain clear insights into your signing workflow. Thanks for watching, and explore more Jotform Sign features, and we'll see you in the next video.